up with all the stars, so you know you're not too far away from me. You're in light when it's my dark. I know this distance makes it hard for us to see. I've been waiting so long, I've been waiting so long, just to see.
Hey guys, what's up and welcome back. So today's video, I am just doing some speed cleaning. I hope you guys enjoy it. I'm going to be tackling my dining room and my living room. I'm going to be doing just my dishes in the kitchen, and then I'm going to wrap up with folding some laundry. I hope you guys enjoy it. Like I said, if you're brand new here, on every Friday I upload some type of motivational mommy video. Fridays are my big cleaning and cooking day. I know a lot of people usually do that on Sunday, but I choose to flip it so I have the whole weekend just to myself and I don't have to cook or clean all weekend, and it's really nice to go into the weekend with a full fridge and a clean house. So I hope I can inspire you or motivate you to do the same. So definitely subscribe if you're new. I would love to have you part of my YouTube family. Give this video a big thumbs up if you like it, so I know that you like it. So I'm going to let some music play for right now, and I'll be back in a little bit.
I've been sleeping alone, I don't wanna let go. I can't forget you. I'll be waiting, I'll be waiting. I'll be waiting for you.
I see a map up in the stars. Now I know I'm not too far away from you. I want you back inside my arms. This distance got me feeling so alone. It's true.
I've been waiting so long, I've been waiting so long, just to see you. I've been sleeping alone, I don't wanna let go. I can't forget you. I'll be waiting, I'll be waiting. I'll be waiting for you.
I'll be waiting for you.
I'll be waiting for you. I'll be waiting for you. I'll be waiting for you.
I'll be waiting for you. I'll be waiting for you.
I'll be waiting for you.
So I am still in the process of decorating this little area between my living room and my dining room. You guys gave me a lot of good ideas over the past couple videos. I'm definitely going to do like collage pictures above it, and then maybe some plants and lanterns on both sides. But I do need to get in there and reorganize it. I really like to do that on a weekly basis. And on top, which is what I cleaned in today's video, I have really been into burning incense. Oh my goodness. I don't know why. I used to love them as a kid, and then I just kind of like fell out of it as an adult, and just I usually light candles, but I have really been into incense recently. I've totally been loving it. I already have like 100 different scents, but I do get ashes all over the place when I light them. So I do need to clean that kind of shelf unit pretty often. So here I'm going to be moving on into my dining room. Really nothing crazy here. I am just going to be doing the dining room table. And then I'm going to move on into my kitchen. And in the kitchen, I am just doing the dishes. The kitchen really wasn't that big of a deal, so I just wanted to get the basics done. And then I will move on into my bedroom to make the bed and wrap up with some laundry.
Ain't no love like a real love, but it goes so fast. All tied up like a captive. I want you. Used to pay my life, standing on rainbows, playing it cool. I haven't felt this in ages, and I've no patience. So won't you please stay a bit longer? You're making me stronger, making me stronger. Stay a bit longer. You're making me stronger, making me Ain't no luck finding real love. Gotta know where to look. Time moves fast, and I've grown up. Yeah, I want to. Used to pay my life, standing on rainbows, playing it cool. I haven't felt this in ages, and I've no patience. So won't you please stay a bit longer? You're making me stronger, making me stronger. Stay a bit longer. You're making me stronger, making me What can I do to make you stay a bit longer? You're making me stronger, making me stronger. Stay a bit longer. You're making me stronger, making me stronger.
So guys, like I said, I'm going to wrap up in here in the kitchen, and then I'm going to head into the bedroom and do some laundry. I do have quite a bit of laundry to fold. Laundry has gotten away from me the past couple days. I would say that's the one chore that really, really I fall behind on. Like, I'm really bad at managing that. I really should be doing like a load of laundry a day, and it just doesn't happen. So then I just kind of turn around and I have like six baskets of laundry to fold. So yeah, so I'm going to wrap up in here. I'm going to let some music play for the rest of the video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. I hope I inspired you. I hope I motivated you to get whatever you need to get done. I love you guys from the bottom of my heart, and I'll see you in my next video.
Still as a breeze, a river flowing deep. Don't wanna leave the air you breathe. Living mystery. think of you and me. Don't wanna leave the world you see, and I will hold you down if love is still alive. It's all forgiven to my eyes. The tide has turned around. Just listen to the sound. Two hearts beating, beating time. Hey yeah, hey yeah, hey yeah, hey yeah, hey yeah. It's all forgiven to my eyes. Hey yeah, hey yeah, hey yeah, hey yeah, hey yeah. It's all forgiven. You and your wicked ways. You and your wicked ways. You and your wicked ways. Center of your touch, I can never feel so much. Don't wanna leave us in between. 'Cause when you lock me in, I'm in for life. Don't care, it's a cruel